trying to think of examples to give you of what makes our system a Ponzi scheme. 2008 is a great example, right? Fractional reserved banking is the theory, is the reality that you and I go to the bank to borrow $500,000 for a house. But what they have done, the schemers, okay, and the banksters, they actually use our signature as the asset to collateralize a loan from the central bank, okay? So they get that $500,000 from the central bank from our signature. That should be the cash. They should give us that $500,000 to go purchase our home. But this is where it gets manipulative. The bank receives that real money, or it gets made up from that. They send it to them. The bank then gives us a $500,000 legal money note to use to buy the house, but it was created. It doesn't come off their balance sheet, and it's not the $500,000 that was sent from the Federal Reserve. So it's a made-up number that expands the money supply without them actually having to give anything for it, and it becomes real when we pay it back plus the interest. So you got my 500 grand plus probably another 500 in interest, so you got $1 million for me, and you got the other 500,000, so you got 1.5 million from an initial $500,000 loan. And so all this is a scheme. They've deemed it not illegal, but that's like saying, oh, well, you can't lie, but if the government does it, they can, because they're so big you can't do anything about it. That doesn't make universal law and God's law any less subject to reality, even though these Satanists think that it can.